Hello there, hope everyone's well. Today I bring you some breaking news that's been coming out of Wrexham in the past 24 hours. We will get into that in just a moment. If you do like content like this, you can subscribe to our channel, you can leave a comment in the comment section below, like and share the video with your family and friends as well. Okay, so it has been reported in the past 24 hours that Wrexham Football Club are going to be increasing the capacity of the Racecourse Ground. They will be constructing a temporary Kop Stand, and permissions have been sought. So, I've just read the document a couple of times. It looks like it hasn't actually been approved as of yet. So let me just tell you exactly what it says. So it says, work will commence during the week commencing December 4th to install a temporary stand behind the goal at the Kop end. The temporary stand will have a capacity of 2,289 and also accommodation for an additional 20 wheelchairs with access via Crispin Lane. It is hoped the stand will be ready in time for all Wrexham fixtures for the Newport County match on Saturday the 20th of December. The stand will be for home fans only. Then it goes on to say the applications for the relevant permissions and licences are being made simultaneously with the construction. Now, I'm no expert, but if they're making the applications with the construction, has this not been approved? Is this, did he know something we don't? Anyway, the club would like to thank both Wrexham University, which of course is right next door to the ground, and the Welsh Government for their support to allow this to happen, as well as all those who will be involved at short notice from the council with the statutory licensing process. A club's spokesperson said, "We are making good progress resolving the outstanding matters before the Kop development can commence, but with a minimum of 3 months mobilisation period before work can start on site. We can now install a temporary stand without negatively impacting the construction program for the construction program for the Kop. Cost of the temporary stand will be greater than generated from ticket sales, but the board felt the priority was to enable more fans to see the team live and address the frustration felt by some that they can't get tickets for a game. So, just before we finish this document, obviously, I like to try and keep my finger on the pulse, so to speak. So, on my personal Facebook, I am members of all sorts of football groups with teams such as Wrexham and Liverpool, Manchester City, Everton, obviously. And I like to keep, and the amount of people that try and get tickets for Wrexham games in them groups, it does seem to be every single game that people are looking for tickets. So this does make some good sense, to be honest. Yeah, so it does say the costs are going to be greater than generated from ticket sales. So the club are putting fans before profit, which is always good to see. The temporary stand will be priced at £20 for adults, £15 for over 65s and under 21s, £9 for under 18s and £6 for under 11s. This pricing reflects that the stand will not have a roof and fans will be exposed to any inclement weather. The tickets will be made available to members in the first instance by the normal sales process. Once required licenses are in use to use it are in place. So this is something that's going to be moving very quickly. Wrexham have, from what I can understand here, have submitted the relevant documents to the local council, and construction is literally going to start any minute this week. So I'm going to go down on Friday of this week and take a look, see what's happening, and then we will update you with the results. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and we will bring you regular updates on how it's going. Yeah, so that is the breaking news. If you can't get a ticket for Wrexham, which seems to be the problem for quite a lot of people, as I was saying on the social medias that I follow, maybe that's about to change. This will incidentally bring Wrexham's capacity the second highest in League Two. So currently they're just over 10,000. This is going to take to 12,300, I think it is, something like that. So that will be the second highest in League Two. With the average attendance at the moment is actually 10,000 for Wrexham. So it does make complete sense. So yeah, we'll be back Friday, and hopefully we'll have some interesting footage to show you of this stand being erected and constructed in. So take care of yourselves, and we will see you very soon.